Hey Roses, today's wash day and review is on the new BerriLicious line from Melanin Complex. I'm going to be going over these three products here, so if you want to know what I think and what they do for me, stay tuned to find out. Welcome back, Roses. It's Alina from Alina Roseanne, and like I said, we're going to go over three products from Melanin Complex. Now, as I look at these products here, I'm super impressed. These products have no parabens, no formaldehydes, no sulfates, no lanolin, no petroleum, no alcohols, and they're cruelty-free products. So we're starting off with my hair that I just got done pre-pooing, but clearly we need to get into wash day. So let's start off with this first product. So this is the Melanin Complex BerriLicious Co-Wash. Reminds me a little bit of aloe vera gel or flaxseed gel, that type of consistency. So let me go ahead and get my hair wet and try this. Okay, so I just wet a portion of my hair just a little bit so you can see what would happen with it, with that little bit of the co-wash that I put on my hair. And as you can see, it will lather up, or at least it sounds like lather. So this tells me a little bit will go a long way, which is good. Okay, so truth time, it does spread nicely, but for me and my hair, it does not provide enough slip. Normally, I can comb through my hair, but my fingers easier than this after pre-pooing. But as I try to comb through here, I hear that squeaking noise, which I don't like. It makes me feel like I'm stripping my oils from my hair. So, and hopefully it will be made a whole lot more easier when I go in with this BerriLicious Deep Penetrating Milkshake Thick Conditioner. And this is a deep conditioner because I need it to really work in here. So we will see. So right now for the co-wash, we're going to move on to the Deep Penetrating Milkshake Thick Deep Conditioner within this BerriLicious line. It says it will detangle, retain moisture, revitalize curls, and retain length. All of her products have great ingredients in it. This container reminds me of lotion. Okay. And it comes out like a lotion. Not too thin. I like the consistency. I like everything about it, actually. Instantly impressed with this. So let's hope it works on his hair. I think I'm going to be able to further detangle. I'm going to go ahead and detangle a little bit further, put my hair in 2 twists, put on my Pidana Collection thermal cap, let that sit on there for 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll be back, let you guys see what my hair looks like, and then we'll wash it out. Okay. Yes, yes. This is more like it. Yes. This conditioner, y'all, I like it. See how I'm running my hands through my hair right now? Okay, I'm a happy camper again. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into this BerriLicious leave-in, which is the third portion of this particular product line. And as always, she seals everything very nicely. Very, very nicely. Okay. Exactly the consistency I like. It's not runny, it's thick enough, as you can see here. Now, what I will say so far, I'm enjoying the deep conditioner, the co-wash. We can't work together no more. Me and the co-wash, we separate. I noticed I had a little bit of an allergic reaction. I broke out with some raised bumps on my face. It does clearly state in the back of the bottle, it says allergy test on skin before use. I did not do that because, as you guys know, when I do unboxing, when I do a product review, I normally do it so you guys get my absolute first impression. I think I'm okay. I did have a little burning sensation. I did have some raised bumps. I do have sensitive skin. So what I would suggest, if you have sensitive skin, make sure you do the skin test first. I'm not sure what it is I'm allergic to, and it may be the strawberry extract or the raspberry extract, because everything else, I mean, there's butters, there's the general oils you see, lavender essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, rosemary essential oil, juniper extract. I don't know about that one. It could very well be that. So do what she states on the back, and that is do an allergy test. And really, we should be doing an allergy test on everything, because you just don't know when you're trying new products, right? So anyway, I'm gonna go in with this. I'm loving the feeling of this. If this reminds me of the deep conditioner, I'm loving the consistency, smell, all that. So I'm gonna wash this out, and then we're gonna put this into my hair and go from there. Okay, so I washed the deep conditioner out. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with this BerriLicious leave-in. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my hair, see, you know, what happens. It smells like a strawberry muffin or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to top it with my Pandana Collection Luscious Locks Herbal Silk Hair Oil, because I need to lock in whatever moisture I can. I normally do the LCO method or LLCO method. It is disappearing into my hair. I do enjoy that. And this is normally what I do with my product. I normally rake it in. I don't have any other reactions other than my eyes are a little bit sensitive right now. And that is me. When something is kind of bothers me a little bit, it will bother my eyes. My oil. Okay, so my hair is pretty much detangled. Maybe 2 braids. We'll do that. Hey roses, I'm back. It's the next day, and my hair was still damp this morning, so you know, I put on my hair wrap so I can go do what I need to do, because I wasn't walking around with 2 braids. And let's check out these results. So they seem a little bit more dry, but it's not completely dry. But we're just gonna go ahead and take it down, because today is Friday. When you see this, it may not be Friday, but when I'm taking this down, it's Friday, Fro Friday. And for today, you know I must have a fro. If you don't know, make sure you're following me on Instagram, where each Friday I participate in Fro Friday, and each Wednesday I participate in Wrap Wednesday. Well, on this one it's a little bit more drier. This one is still wet. It's wet right here, but it's okay. My hair is soft. There's some moisture. Not as much as I would like, but there is moisture. As you can see by the definition, it's there, okay? The definition is in fact there for 2 braids. We're not gonna do a whole lot because, again, this is not all wet dry. My hair smells good. I don't have any other allergic reactions. Again, I think it was just the co-wash for some odd reason. And we're gonna let it do what it do. So you guys let me know what you think in terms of these 3 products here. Are you interested in trying these products? These are brand new products from the BerriLicious line. I believe they don't come out for another day, I believe. Today's the 28th. Yeah, so it does in fact smell like berries. Just be very careful to do a patch test first, a skin test first. If you have highly sensitive skin, it depends on what you're sensitive to. So again, just because I had a reaction doesn't mean you will have a reaction, okay? Because again, these are all natural ingredients. There's nothing there's nothing in here odd that would be like, oh no girl, you put down your head. No, nothing like that. These are all absolutely natural ingredients. These are cruelty-free products. These are vegan products. So you be the judge. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you roses later. Bye.